Hello and very warm welcome to RAFLIMTS. This is Farooq Hussain. Last week, few of my subscribers asked me OCLC Classify has closed its services. Now, what are free alternatives to perform DV classification, LC classification, and also for metadata? So, my first response, please watch this video for DV classification, where I have discussed 4 free tools to perform DV classification, including OCLC Classify, but it's no more, so don't worry about it. But these 3 tools are working as it is. And also watch this video for LC classification, where I have discussed 4 free tools to perform LC classification. And now in this video, I'm going to discuss some alternate of OCLC classifier. So my first alternate to OCLC classifier is MarkEdit. MarkEdit is an application, an important application to have the mark record, but you can also perform the DV classification, LC classification, and the metadata search. So you just need to have that application through this website. Uh, on your web browser, you just need to write MarkEdit download and you can have this application. Either you are an administrator to your computer or not, you can even install it without the right to install. So this application is for everyone, and it's one of the very best application to have the mark record, and also the OCL, an alternate of OCLC classifier. So you can see right now the current version is MarkEdit 7.6 for all users, and this is for the administrator of the computer. So but this application is quite good and you can have this application. You just need to download and then you need to install it. So I have already installed it. It's quite easy. Within few clicks you can easily install it. So okay, so let me open this application. You can see it's MarkEdit, and on this application, on the interface, you can see this shortcut Z39.50 or SRU client, from where you can have the mark record, and on that mark record you can find the classification number, LC classification number, DV classification number, and also the metadata, complete descriptive cataloging, and also the subjective cataloging. So you need to click on this shortcut, or if you can't see this shortcut on your application, you just need to go in the tools, the settings, where you can have this shortcut, and some important shortcuts also available. Okay, sorry. So when you click on this, you will see this interface where you need to set search options, and you can select a database, or if you don't have any database, so you can find a database through the directory IR-SPY. This is one of the directory from where you can have the Z39.50 or SRU client. This is specific for Z39.50. So let me search Library of Congress, and you can see the number of actually Z3 or 39.50 databases or server from the Library of Congress. You just need to check the host connection reliability, and it's 8 out of 8, 100%. So you can have any of them, like for example this one. You can check the details. Mark syntax, you can see it's US mark. It's reliability. And then you can add this to your database. See, I have already Z3 9.50, so I just go back, and you can find the client through the country as well. For example, Pakistan. There you can see this one, reliability is untested. So you can also have this if you want to. Let me save here. Okay, and let us search another. British, and there you can see British Library, reliability is 0, 13%. And British Columbia Library, University of British Columbia, so you can see this is 8 out of 8, 100%. So you can add this, or any other library you want to. You can see A to Z list available. This one, National Libraries. Okay, so we have added 2 libraries here. I'll show you 2 databases, and you can easily search through the title, through the author, subject, ISBN number, ISSN number, keywords, and the record number. Okay, record number is LC record number, so you can have the details like let me write one term here: educational leadership. Search. So you can see, in fact, I have already selected a database, that is Library of Congress. If you want to select any other database, so you can, or even you can select all the databases here like this. So I just select one database, that is Library of Congress, and there you can see, for example, this one, the complete record available here in mark format, and at the tag number 050 you can have the LC number, and on tag number 082 you can have the DV number. It's quite easy. You can also find the subject headings at 650, so you can see the subject headings. Okay, and you can copy this record, you can print this record, or even you can download this record, this one, or you can download all 20 items here individually. This one, this record, I just copy here, education, one record. Okay, let us see another record. 050 is for LC number and 082 is DV number. So you can have the DV number here and LC number here. This is according to Library of Congress. Okay. 050 and the subject heading also. So to perform subjective classification, it's quite easy and one of the reliable tools. See, okay. Let's suppose you want to download this with the same file, so you can have this append this record, download this one, download. Okay, so you can see the file, this file. I can show you. So we have 3 records here. See, 3 mark records. And after few changes, you can even import this mark record. If you want to learn how you can import a mark record to your library system, so you can have the video in the description of this video, but that's not our topic. We are talking about the classification, we are talking about the metadata search. So you can search through the mark edit easily. You can search, in fact you can change the database. For example, let me change my database here to some other database. This is untested, and select database. Okay, so I just select all 3 databases or one database, and then I will search the same. See, and you can see this 050 082. Okay, another thing, you can search any specific title by ISBN number. So let me put one ISBN here just for example, just to show you. From this list, okay, this one, let's suppose. And you can have the information. See, 050 082, and also 650. Okay, you can search any specific title, for example I just write library toolkit. See, and this is, you can see the OCLC first search. Okay, in fact you can add the OCLC here, yes, in database. I'm not sure it's working or not, but in fact you can add. See, reliability 8 by 8, 8 by 8. So you can add any, like for example this one. Okay, let's search the same. Okay, it has rejected. It's not working right now, but anyhow, no problem. Okay, anyways, so this way you can use the mark edit, and we can also search the local books there. Let me show you one. Okay, most of them at Library of Congress. So select database. And this is just for example, and see. Okay, anyways, this way we can use the uh, mark edit as an alternate to OCLC classifier. And we have another alternate that is library things. You know about it. And if you want to learn what is library things and how we can use it, so you can have a video on my channel. I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can have that. But here I would like to show you how you can search library things as an alternate to OCLC classifier. So let me open my web browser, and you just need to write library things. Sorry, there's a spelling mistake, and you can even see here, and you can search here, and this discussion is also on library things, you can see there. Okay, so okay, let me open library things. It's taking time to load. Actually, there's an internet issue, maybe, or maybe the internet is speed is slow right now. Anyhow, so let me search the same term here, and you can see in books, video recording, sound recording, others, multimedia, so you can find number of titles there. Let me open this one, the first one or the second one. And there's no need to log in here, I mean on library things, to just to see the record. See, this book is available, and you can have the work detail. On work detail you can find the DDC number, that is DDC number, and the subject headings as well. LC number also there. Even you can find the local books, for example this one. I have searched few titles there, and it's very good. You can search number of things. So you can have the work detail. On work detail you can find the call number, DDC call number, see, and LC call number as well. Even you can find the information through the ISBN number, for example this one. See, and you can also use the author to search the specific work. For example, I just put one author there. You can see this, his books, work details. See, DDC number, LC number, and you can find the local books there. And there you can see the complete classification, I mean the subject headings available here. Another alternate that you can use for OCLC classifier, I mean against the OCLC classifier, so that is the Chat GPT. And if you want to learn about the AI and the tools, there are 2 complete videos available on my channel, so you can have those videos. Okay, so I actually request ChatGPT to provide me DDC number. So I just ask, can you provide me DDC classification number? This is from the history, and it says certainly. Could you please specify what topic or subject you need the Dewey Decimal Classification number for? This classification system covers a wide range of subjects, so knowing this specific topic will help me provide you with the accurate DDC number. I said educational leadership in Pakistan. If you can see this, or let me zoom it. So I said educational leadership in Pakistan, and then it's provide me the complete call number. See, this one, and there's a range, and this number is the specific number. So you can say so a more specific DDC number for educational leadership in Pakistan might be this or this. This combination signifies education in Pakistan to this number, with focus on education leadership to this number. So this means this number is actually the accurate number, so you can have the DDC number. And let me continue to another. Now let us see the result. See, so you can also get the number, DDC number, and the complete description with the Chat GPT. It's quite easy. Okay, now finally another tool that can be alternate to OCLC classifier, and that is actually in local context. For example, you need to browse your national library. For example, let me write the National Library of Pakistan, and there you can see on the website you can search the OPAC. So you need to search the OPAC of your national libraries, and there you can see. And National Library is actually the repository or the depository of your local context books, or I mean local published books, so you can have most of the books there. Okay, let me write the same term. For example, this one. See the call number. And you can see this one. Or the main page. See this one, call number. Or you can search any subject, for example, see, Urdu, you can search Urdu. You can have the call number. It's quite easy. Okay, and you can also use other libraries. For example, let us have the National Library of India. In Asia, we can also find most of the titles in India. Okay. And most of the resources, you need to find some prominent libraries in your areas, so you can search their catalog as well. For example, see, you can have the catalog. There you can see the LC number. Okay. Anyways, so you need to find out the libraries in your areas, and the best solution is actually the National Library. On National Library, you need to search the OPAC, and there you can find the local books, a number of local books. Okay. Okay. And thank you very much for watching RAFLIMTS. This is Farooq Hussain. We have discussed 4 alternates of OCLC classifier, and you must have to watch these 2 videos to have more alternate to OCLC classifier for DDC, and this video is for LC. And also need to watch some other videos, those I have discussed during this video. So thank you very much for watching RAFLIMTS. This is Farooq Hussain. Keep watching RAFLIMTS, and thank you very much.